Vacancy factor, loss of income due to rental property or unit not rented. Vacancy factor VF is the percent of units of an income property which are vacant or not rented. If an apartment building with 20 units has 2 units not rented, the building has a 10% vacancy factor. Vacancy factor is expressed yearly unless noted. A 10% vacancy factor in a 20-unit building over a year's time means that an average of 2 units remain vacant for the year. Commercial property is measured in square feet, so a 10% vacancy factor of a 20,000 square feet strip mall would be a unit of the size of 2,000 square feet remaining vacant throughout the year. The 2,000 square feet does not have to be the same unit, but can be an average of the square footage which remain vacant. Vacancy factor is important because it subtracts from the total rent. If a 20-unit building generates a maximum of $20,000 per month in gross revenue, then we have a yearly potential gross revenue of $240,000. A 10% yearly vacancy factor would reduce our gross revenue by $24,000, 0.1 times 240,000, which now means we have only taken in $216,000 for the year. As property owners and investors, our goal is to maximize our return, and therefore we are very interested in the vacancy factor of our owned or invested in properties. Multiple choice question, vacancy factor. A. Loss of income due to rental property or unit not rented. B. Legally binding representation to do a job. C. Contract for a night stay in a hotel. D. Income earned from rental property. So the correct answer choice for vacancy factor is A. Loss of income due to rental property or unit not rented.